This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English punctuation question. The answer choices present different punctuation marks between find and just. So we want to look at our sentence to see what's going to give us the most accurate reading and also not commit any punctuation errors. So let's look at our sentence. We have, because when we examine the makeup of this kind of film, this horror film, we find just beneath the surface assumptions about science. So we have here the subject we, the verb find, and what are we finding? We're finding this whole long thing, this just beneath the surface assumptions about science. So since this is our entire object, so this is the entire thing that's being found, we don't want to separate it. So we want to find punctuation that's going to keep this object intact. So we don't want anything to break up the unity of this. So let's look at our choices. First choice, we see that we had a comma here. We find comma. We don't want to have a comma between the verb and the object that's being acted on by the verb. It doesn't make sense to have that comma there, so that's not going to be good. Choice 3 is similar. We have a dash here, and you wouldn't want a dash because you want to keep the object of the verb together. So you just wouldn't want to have that weird break in the middle. It doesn't make sense to put that. Choice 4 commits a sentence fragment error because just beneath the surface assumption about science is not a standalone sentence, which is what choice 4 is attempting to do to it, so that's going to create an error. Choice number 2 is good because it keeps the unity of our very long object, this just beneath the surface assumptions about science. It doesn't have any weird punctuation errors and no fragments, so choice 2 is correct.